video I'm going to show you how to create a button knot. Today we are going to be working with the Nova Vita 12 recycled cotton cord from DMC. To form a button knot, we are firstly going to form 5 alternating half square knots. We will be working with 4 chords, A, B, C and D. Chords A and D are the working chords and chords B and C are the filler chords. To create a square knot, we will take chord A over the filler chords and chord D over the top of chord A. Chord D then goes behind the filler chords and out the gap next to chord A. Gently pull the knot up and firm to secure. We are then going to reverse this by starting with chord D over the filler chords, chord A over the top of chord D, behind the filler chords and out the gap next to chord D. Gently pull the knot up and pull to secure. This forms a full square knot. We are then going to repeat a half knot, but starting from the left hand side again. Chord A over the filler chords, chord D over chord A, behind the filler chords and out the gap next to chord A. Gently pull up and pull to secure. Continue to make 2 more half square knots, the next one from the right and then follow with the final one from the left. To form the button knot, take the 2 filler chords up and over the centre of the first half hitch and pull through the chords between B and C. To secure the button knot, form a double square knot underneath the button knot. First working from the left and then from the right. This forms the completed button knot.